Let's try and roll this window down. Nothing on that switch. It's got problems. Let's replace this window regulator. Oh, that clip's broken. Oops, missed one. Forgot about this screw here. I have to repair this. I'm not the first guy in here. It was all ripped down. Huh. Oh, the yellow tape here. Let's disconnect the window. May not need to pull that out. There we go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Plug in switch so that we can. Alrighty, I gotta catch the window. Put it down. Alright, let's bolt this window in. Alright, window is in and... Alright, why does that pop out? Trying to roll it up by itself. It goes outside the track. But if you hold it in, then it'll go in. So why does it do that? I'm thinking maybe this window bracket might be bent. Or if we bend it, it'll help align it. See what happens when we give it more space. Push it out some. More. I think I got it now. Zip tie this in place. Since the plug is not fastened to the motor, or not part of the motor like on the old one, and it's we've got this pigtail, make it stay. Dismount, back in place, repaired.